Have you ever pondered on the magnitude of environmental challenges that India, a country of over 1 billion people, is grappling with? From the metropolitan cities shrouded in smog to rural areas parched for water, India is at the forefront of myriad environmental dilemmas. Firstly, let's delve into the issue of air pollution. Some of the world's most polluted cities reside within India's borders, where the air is thick with harmful substances such as particulate matter, sulfur dioxide, and nitrogen dioxide. The culprits: the burning of fossil fuels, industrial emissions, vehicle exhaust, and certain agricultural practices. These pollutants don't just dirty the air, they pose severe health risks like respiratory illnesses, cardiovascular diseases, and can even lead to premature deaths. The solution? A shift to renewable energy, tighter emission standards, and improved public transportation could go a long way in clearing the air. Next, we have water scarcity. Despite being blessed with an abundance of water resources, India is on the brink of a water crisis. Over-extraction pollution, inefficient water management, and climate change are draining the country's water reserves, while untreated sewage, industrial waste, and agricultural runoff are contaminating surface water. So, how do we quench the thirst of a nation? Overhauling water management systems, promoting water conservation, and implementing stricter pollution controls could be the key. Forests, the lungs of our planet, are also under threat in India. Deforestation, illegal logging, and unsustainable land use practices are stripping the country of its green cover, leading to biodiversity loss and reduced resilience to climate change impacts. The way forward: promote sustainable land use, enforce stricter penalties for illegal logging, and create more protected areas. Climate change is another pressing issue. With rising temperatures, changing precipitation patterns, and more frequent extreme weather events, India is particularly vulnerable to the impacts of climate change. The remedy? Implement mitigation and adaptation strategies, build climate-resilient infrastructure, and foster climate-smart agriculture. India also grapples with a waste management crisis. Overflowing landfills, poor waste segregation, and limited recycling facilities are exacerbating the problem. The solution? Invest in waste management infrastructure, promote waste segregation at source, and encourage recycling and composting. Finally, there's the challenge of transitioning to clean energy. India's growing energy demand is largely met by fossil fuels, contributing to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The way forward? Invest in renewable energy technologies, improve energy efficiency, and implement supportive policies and regulations. In conclusion, addressing these environmental challenges requires a holistic approach that includes proactive policies, public participation, technological innovation, and international cooperation. The time to act is now. It's up to each and every one of us to play our part in safeguarding the environment for ourselves and future generations. The health and prosperity of India hang in the balance.